Thank you to our sponsor today, Iman Cares. They actually were kind enough to send me this Danish dough whisk, and I'm really excited to use this to make waffles because if you've ever tried to make a thicker batter like waffles with a regular traditional whisk, I've found it always gets stuck in the I don't know what they call it, the wire part of the whisk, and this is actually going to really help me to mix the batter without it all getting stuck in the whisk. So let's try this out today. We're going to be using our Anchor Hocking glass bowl with handle and spout. If you don't have one of these, this is the best thing to be mixing batters in. I also mix salad kits in this because the handle makes it so easy to hold the bowl, and I love that it has a spout so I can pour it directly into the waffle maker. All right, so I went ahead and added the 2 tablespoons of the oil as well as 1/3 of a cup of the applesauce together with the milk. I'm just going to use this awesome little Danish whisk to mix that together first. I've got my baking mix in my bowl here. Wow, this is so much easier because I can actually stir. It's like stirring with a whisk instead of having to beat the batter with the whisk, because oftentimes, a lot of the times it'll just get stuck if it's a really thick batter, but this is way easier. Now this doesn't work for something like whipping stuff, you know, like whipping anything that you want to get frothy, but this is perfect for making waffles with. Now they also advertise this whisk as being for specifically like bread dough and sourdough, so you can use this to mix up the dough before you knead it. So that's great. And then this one is the 2-eye. They also have like a heart shape and a 3-eye, maybe even a single eye.